Indulge in the mystical essence of the Rudraksha fruit, a rare and highly sought after natural gem. With its unique texture and mesmerizing pattern, the Rudraksha more than just a fruit. It is a symbol of spiritual power, bringing balance, peace, and clarity to the wearer. Embrace the ancient tradition and enhance your wellness journey with this one-of-a-kind natural wonder. Rudraksha is a rare and exotic fruit that is native to the Indian subcontinent. This fruit is not only visually appealing but also holds immense cultural and spiritual significance of Hinduism. This fruit grows on the Rudraksha tree, which is also known as Elaeocarpus ganitrus. The tree is a slow-growing species and can grow up to 30 meters tall in the right conditions. The fruit of the Rudraksha tree is a round, green berry that is about the size of a marble. It has a smooth, tough outer shell that is lined with ridges and grooves. Inside the fruit, there is a single seed that is surrounded by white creamy flesh. The seed of the Rudraksha fruit is the part that is used for spiritual and medicinal purpose. The seed of the Rudraksha fruit has a unique and distinctive appearance, with a circular shape and 5 natural lines that run from the center to the outer edge. These lines are said to represent the 5 elements of nature and the 5 faces of Lord Shiva. Because of this, the Rudraksha fruit is considered to be a powerful talisman for Hindu worshippers who believe that wearing a bead made from the seed brings good luck and protection. In addition to its spiritual significance, the Rudraksha fruit is also known for its medicinal properties. The seed of the fruit is said to have antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties and is used to treat a variety of ailments, including high blood pressure, headaches, and stress. Overall, the Rudraksha fruit is a unique and powerful ingredient that has both spiritual and medicinal properties. It is a perfect addition to any wellness or spiritual product line and is sure to be appreciated by those who are interested in traditional Hindu culture and spirituality. Only at https://kashipujan.com can you find the highest quality Rudraksha fruits for you and your loved ones. What are the benefits of using Rudraksha fruits? There are several benefits to using Rudraksha fruits. Spiritual benefits. Rudraksha fruit are believed to be highly auspicious and have been used for spiritual purpose for centuries. Wearing or carrying Rudraksha fruit is said to enhance spiritual growth, meditation, and concentration. Health benefit. It is believed that Rudraksha fruit have medicinal properties and can help in treating various ailments such as high blood pressure, diabetes, asthma, and skin diseases. Stress relief. Wearing or carrying Rudraksha fruit is believed to reduce stress and anxiety and depression. It is also said to improve the quality of sleep. Positive energy. Rudraksha fruit are believed to have positive energy, and wearing or carrying them can help in attracting positive energy and removing negative energy from the body. Astrological benefits. Rudraksha fruit are also believed to have astrological benefits and can help balance the energy of the planets in the wearer's horoscope. How to use Rudraksha fruits. Clean and Rudraksha fruits with water and remove any dirt or debris from their surface. Dry the fruits completely before using them. Take a Rudraksha fruit and hold it in your hand. Chant a mantra or prayer to infuse positive energy into the fruit. Use a Rudraksha fruit as a mala or prayer bead by holding it in your hand and reciting your prayers or mantras. You can also use Rudraksha fruits for making jewelry, such as necklaces and bracelets. Another way to use Rudraksha fruit is by grinding them into a powder and using it in your daily skincare routine. The powder can also be used to make Rudraksha face packs and scrubs. The Rudraksha fruit powder can also be consumed with water or milk as it is believed to have medicinal properties. Store the Rudraksha fruits in a dry, cool place away from direct sunlight to maintain their quality and potency. Who can use Rudraksha fruits? Rudraksha fruits can be used by anyone who seeks spiritual benefits and positive energies. They are commonly used by people who practice meditation, yoga, and other spiritual practices. In Hinduism, Rudraksha is considered to be a holy bead, and its benefits are believed to be accessible to everyone, irrespective of their religion or beliefs. Therefore, anyone who wishes to benefit from its properties can use Rudraksha fruits. Thanks.